pool cage on. The positives, again, are going to be you're nice and open, you're out in nature, you get a little bit better sun. The cost is less expensive if you don't put a pool cage in. The pool is more naturally heated because of the exposure to the sun. So those are some of the positive things that you have if you don't put a pool cage on with a home. So when you're deciding to build a home, there is Florida code. You have to do something to protect people from getting in your pool that could potentially drown. They're worried about children. You have options to either do a fence, you can also do a baby gate, and you'll see we'll have to put alarms on any type of opening that gets out to the pool. So big consideration when you're building a home. Me personally, I like not having a cage. You personally may want a cage. So hopefully this answers some of your questions, whether or not you need to build a pool cage in Florida. And my name is Fred Price with Lauren Homes. Please subscribe to this channel. I'd love to earn your business if you're building in Cape Coral, Fort Myers, Florida.